Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Rocket Money and Monarch Money. If you're looking to take control of your finances in 2025, this comparison is tailor-made for you. Let's explore these platforms in detail to help you determine which aligns best with your financial goals. Be sure to watch right to the end. Let's start with Rocket Money. Rocket Money positions itself as a holistic financial management tool designed to empower users to take control of their financial lives. The platform offers a suite of features aimed at simplifying money management, from tracking subscriptions to providing insight into spending habits. With a user-friendly interface, Rocket Money integrates various aspects of personal finance into a single, cohesive application. How about Monarch Money? Monarch Money excels in aggregating all your financial accounts into a single, unified view. By connecting unlimited accounts, from bank and credit card accounts to investment and loans, it provides a comprehensive snapshot of your net worth, ensuring you're always informed about your financial standing. Now let us talk about the main features of Rocket Money and Monarch Money. First, Rocket Money. Subscription management. One of the Rocket Money's standout features is its ability to identify and track all your subscriptions. It provides a clear overview of recurring charges, helping you stay on top of upcoming bills and avoid unnecessary expenses. Additionally, Rocket Money offers a service to cancel unwanted subscriptions on your behalf, saving you time and effort. Spending insights. The platform offers detailed breakdowns of your spending patterns, highlighting areas where you might cut back. By categorizing expenses, Rocket Money enables you to understand where your money is going and make informed financial decisions. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money allows users to set up personalized budgets, monitor their progress, and adjust as needed. The intuitive interface makes it easy to allocate funds to different categories and track adherence to your financial plan. Bill negotiation. An added perk is Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. The platform can negotiate lower rates on your behalf for various bills, potentially leading to significant savings over time. Let's hop on to Monarch Money. Monarch Money's budgeting tools. The platform offers flexible budgeting systems, allowing users to customize categories and set spending limits tailored to their lifestyle. Whether you prefer a traditional budgeting approach or a more dynamic system that adapts to your spending habits, Monarch Money has you covered. Monarch Money's goal setting feature. Goal setting is another area where Monarch Money shines. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new home, or retirement, the app enables you to set, track, and visualize your progress toward multiple financial goals, making the journey both tangible and motivating. Monarch Money's collaboration feature. For those managing finances with a partner or family, Monarch Money offers collaboration tools. You can invite unlimited collaborators to your household account at no extra cost, fostering transparency and joint financial planning. Now let us talk about the pricing. First, Rocket Money. Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. While many of its features are available for free, certain premium services such as bill negotiation and subscription cancellation assistance may come with associated fees. The platform offers a premium subscription that unlocks additional features and provides a more comprehensive financial management experience. To get the details about pricing, you can create an account and contact Rocket Money. How about Monarch Money? Regarding pricing, Monarch Money operates on a subscription basis without a free tier. They offer two plans. There's a monthly plan at $14.99 per month and a yearly plan at $99.99 for an entire year, which boils down to $8.3 per month. While there's no free version, as I mentioned earlier, new users can take advantage of a 7-day free trial to explore the platform's features. What are the pros and cons of using Rocket Money and Monarch Money? First, the pros. Rocket Money. User-friendly interface. Comprehensive subscription management. Proactive bill negotiation. And Monarch Money? Comprehensive financial overview, collaborative tools, and ad-free experience. How about the cons? For Rocket Money, limited investment tools. and premium features come at a cost. For Monarch Money, there is no free plan. Unlike some competitors, Monarch Money does not offer a free version, which might deter users unwilling to commit financially upfront. Also, the pricing. At $14.99 per month or $99.99 annually, it might be considered pricey compared to other personal finance apps. In conclusion though, both Rocket Money and Monarch Money offer robust tools to enhance your financial management in 2025. Your choice between the two hinges on your personal preferences and financial goals. If you prioritize subscription management and desire a flexible pricing model, Rocket Money might be the ideal fit because its tools are particularly beneficial for those looking to identify and eliminate unnecessary recurring expenses. Conversely though, if you seek a comprehensive, collaborative financial management platform and are willing to invest in a premium experience, Monarch Money stands out. Its emphasis on a holistic financial overview and a goal-oriented planning makes it a strong contender for individuals and families aiming for a long-term financial clarity. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mint by Intuit, YNAB, and Empower. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.